Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to install an Android TV emulator on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First open Google Chrome, then search for Android Studio and open the first website. Click on the download button. Scroll down, accept the terms and conditions, and click download again. After that, the download will start. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. After the installation, you'll see a pop-up asking if you'd like to share your data. We don't need to share any data, so click Don't Send. Now the Android Studio welcome screen will appear. Click Next. Leave the installation type set to standard and click Next again. Then click Next once more. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Android Studio will now download some required components. Wait for the process to complete. Then click Finish. Once everything is set up, click on More Actions and then select Virtual Device Manager. Next, click Create Virtual Device. Go to the TV category, select Television 1080p, and click Next. Now we need to download a system image to run Android TV. Click the download icon. When the download is complete, click Finish, and then click Finish again. Your Android TV device has now been added. Click the Start button and Android TV will launch on your computer. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.